Good morning, guys. I'm John with Blaze Grass Lawn Care, and today we're gonna do this property right here. And again, you guys see me do this property before, man. I know for a fact this is a weekly, and we mow this at 2.5 inches. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the property and we're gonna move the trash can out the way. And you see the shrubs? We usually take care of the shrubs, but today they look like they're pretty good. So everything is looking good. Nice mow, keeping it clean. Now, you see this piece right here? This is your plant bed. Remember when we put that plant bed pre-emergent? It's starting to work a little bit. If I didn't put the pre-emergent, guys, this thing would have been crazy full by now. So hopefully we get the approval to put out some mulch, and we can go ahead and make this property look a lot better. Now, we're gonna go ahead and hit it up. Man, there's a lot of lawn care guys out here. Everybody trying to make some money. So again, guys, don't worry about the competition now. All you have to do is do what you're supposed to do. Now, where's my boy Quest? He's out there doing his thing, you know. The goal is to ensure that he gets his own crew and his own route. So we're working on it and getting him squared away with his own crew. Today, I'm gonna take you along with me. Alright guys, so today we are going with battery power. This is a Milwaukee M18 FUEL, and we're going to utilize it for the property. This thing works pretty good, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Crispy. Looking good, man, looking good. So here's to show you guys. And this was all trimmed with the Milwaukee string trimmer, the M18 FUEL. Pretty good, right? It saves on batteries, guys. It saves a lot of money on battery. I mean, on fuel. Did I say battery? It saves a lot of money on fuel for your weeklies. And I use it on some bi-weeklies, depending on how bad they are. But I like it. I really do like it. It has enough power to do what you're supposed to, what you want it to do, and it looks good. It looks real good. You see how I hit that fence line? I hate it when things are poking out the fence, guys. And I know sometimes you can't get in between, but this is the way I like our fence line. See that? Oops, sorry about that. That's the way it's supposed to look, man. Now, how much time did I spend blowing? Huh? This is why I like these nice, big, powerful blowers, man. Whether Stihl or Echo or Red Max or Husqvarna, it makes no difference, guys. Power, man. Power will make you extremely more efficient, man. Just think about it, okay? All right. All right, gents and ladies, this is the final result. And again, this is a weekly. Hey guys, it's your boy Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. Now, I was over at Andy's Lawn and Machinery trying to get my belt repaired, and I'm gonna show you guys how they showed me a trick to get that belt on the Vantage 36. But that's another video. But I wanted to introduce you to Ron from Ron's Lawn Care here in Savannah, Georgia. I just met him. He's one of our subs, and you know, like anything, I'm doing my thing. He said, "Yo, Johnny, what's up?" And I'm like, "Yo, oh, okay, you too, got you." So yeah, we had a quick conversation. But Ron, what got you into the lawn care, doing lawn care?
Probably about, I've been doing it for like over 20 years, but really got me into it that I love working outside, you know, love taking care of people's lawns, things like that there, you know. Okay, cool. Now, what is the benefit of owning your own business? What did you find to be the benefit of owning your own business? Just being your own boss, you know.
Right.
Teaching my boys the business and gradually, you know, to leave something behind for them, you know. Okay,
so that's your son over there?
That's my oldest son,
okay.
Ron Jones.
There you go.
And
he's over there doing his thing. As a matter of fact, when I was over there string trimming, you know, he was string trimming, and we got into a little slight competition, even though he didn't know it. But I saw him trying to do his thing. Yeah. But hey, man, I just wanted to say thank you for being one of our subs, man.
Okay,
I appreciate you. You know, again, it's about a community, guys. It's not about the competition. It's about getting to know each other. And if something come up that I can't handle, or he's got something that he can't handle, then, you know, it's good to have that communication. We can call each other and, you know, pass work on. Yes, all right, guys, thanks again, my man. Appreciate it to be being on my little vlog. Yes, and guys, take it easy, take care of yourself, pop smoke.
Have a blessed day. Appreciate that.